everyone, so PAPIFEED sent me over this cat water fountain for honest feedback. And guys, we have the fountain, the filter, and the easy guide for everything to get started right away. And guys, setting up the water fountain is super simple. Just assemble the parts, fill up the tank with water, and plug it in. It's ready in minutes. And guys, it is ideal for cat hydration. And one of my favorite features is how quiet the motor is. Perfect for a peaceful home environment, and it's so super easy to clean. My cat really loved it, and I definitely recommend it.